everyone, we are high school students from Princess Jalaponsai High School Mukdahan. Today we are going to present oil absorbent sponge from Hymenacin glass by heat treatment. My name is Vachariya Somboon.
My name is Jala Sishu.
Let's start an introduction. The future petroleum is an important source of energy in our countries around the world. Oil shipments from production sites to areas around the world are commonly used by large tankers, which is the starting point for oil contamination due to oil spills, which effect of environment and the economies is enormous. Therefore, to reduce the problems of oil strain in the sea, we are making oil-absorbing material that reduce sea oil strain problems, easy to use multiple times, lightweight, and environmentally friendly. Objective: First, to study the effect of curing time of Hymenacin glass with sodium hydroxide for 30, 60, and 90 minutes. Second, to compare the oil strain absorption capacity of cellulose sponge, non-heat treatment and heat treatment at 100, 150 to 100 degrees Celsius. Third, to study the external morphosis of cellulose sponge. Fourth, to study the effectiveness of repeat art. For the method: first, spinning Hymenacin glass. Second, curing the fiber for 30, 60, and 90 minutes. Third, filtrate that. After that, add carbon disulfide, refrigerate at 7 degrees for 24 hours, and finally we got cellulose acetate. Next, add sodium sulfate and sulfuric. Pour in the plate, put in the sun until it dries. Next, take it to the elastic test, heat at 100, 150 to 200 degrees for 1 hour. After that, take oil absorption efficiency test.
Result: to study the effect of curing periods of dilated gas pit with sodium hydroxide for 30 minutes, 60 minutes, and 90 minutes. Found that the elasticity was analyzed in each experiment with another single factor program at 95 confidence level with the highest elasticity at 60 minutes. Curing for cellulose fiber with one statistically significant difference with experimental set 1 and set 2. After that, a cellulose sponge with the highest elasticity was heat treated at different temperatures consisting of 100 degrees Celsius, 150 degrees Celsius, and 200 degrees Celsius to study the external morphology, and found that the heat-treated cellulose sponge at 200 degrees Celsius seemed to be burned, and the heat-treated cellulose sponge at 100 degrees Celsius and 150 degrees Celsius seem to be right porous material. To compare the oil strain absorption capacity of cellulose sponge, non-heat treatment and heat treatment at a temperature as 100 degrees Celsius, 150 degrees Celsius, and 200 degrees Celsius, and found that the heat-treated cellulose sponge at 150 degrees Celsius where the highest absorption capacity was 70.146%. Study the effectiveness of repeated use. Cellulose sponge can be reused for up to 3 times. Conclusion: the results show that at 60 minutes, the cellulose sponge was the most elasticity. Section 2 found that all cellulose sponges are porous like sponge. Section 3 found that at 150 degrees Celsius, where the highest oil absorption capacity was 70.146%. Section 4 found that cellulose sponge could be reused up to 3 times that can still be in the sheets, and it was concluded that the curing time of dilated gas pit filling with sodium hydroxide was the best for forming cellulose sponges stay at 60 minutes. The elasticity was analyzed as 0.261, deviation 0.0 Newton, which had a statistically significant difference with dilated gas pit curing with sodium hydroxide for 30 minutes and 90 minutes, and at 150 degrees Celsius is the optimum temperature for heat treatment. This is because heat treatment will cause chemical change of the gas treatment. As a result, the number of hydroxyl group decrease and the bond between carbon increase and reduce the hydrophilics, make it able to absorb oil better, and the cellulose sponge used to absorb oil can then be used as fuel.
Thank you for attention.